How do I make the welcome and confirmation messages appear in HTML format? By default, the welcome, farewell, and confirmation messages are sent out in plain text. However, it's very easy to make them appear in HTML format if you prefer. To do so, click on Mail Templates under the Server Administration section. You will see a pull-down menu with a number of different HTML styles to choose from. Use the Preview button to see a preview of what each template looks like. To select one to use, click the Select button. These are the same HTML styles that are available as newsletter templates. Whenever you create or modify a newsletter template using the Newsletter Builder, an equivalent template is automatically created that you can use for your administrative messages. For example, if you wanted to customize one of these newsletter templates with your custom logo and color scheme, simply use the pull-down menus and input boxes and save the template. You can then return to Mail Templates and select your new custom template. You can do this for the site as a whole or on a list-by-list basis. If you want to do this for an individual list, click on Mail Templates under the List Management section instead. Then simply select the list that you want to work with and make your change. The process is otherwise the same for both site-wide and list-based templates. Thank you for watching.